As you can tell by the title of this video, we bought a car. It's a used car. It's a Nissan Altima. We needed a secondary car because for Danny's job he has to drive all around the city, and he was just taking our Mercedes and it was just costing way too much on diesel. So we bought a second-hand car and there was no damage whatsoever mechanically. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say no damage. There was body damage because the car was rebuilt, but no like engine, any kind of mechanical issues that we had to fix. But today we are going to pick and pull because we wanted to change our headlamps for the Nissan, just because they're really old and like cloudy looking, really gross. So we just kind of wanted to make this car look a little bit newer and not so much like a used car. So pick and pull is a scrapyard for cars that have been in accidents, and pretty much you can just take any kind of part that you want from the cars. They're all undrivable, unoperable, but you can find some good stuff in them still that you can repurpose. We have repurposed our seat here in our van from a Mazda. We took out the bench seat and we got it at Pick and Pull. So it's a great little place if you want to get car parts for cheap, take them, give them a second life, and yeah. So this is our journey today. Well, these guys seen better days. What about this? What is this one?
That's not an Altima, dude. We gotta go to the right vehicle. So, 35. Bro, 35. Yeah, it's also, this is a smaller lot too. So.
Yeah. Oh, so muddy. Bad idea to wear Crocs.
Definitely. I didn't even realize that. I would have told you need something. It's kind of dangerous here.
I mean, your shoes aren't safety shoes or anything.
I'm gonna check out one of the headlamps. There's a crack here, but it's more clear, and this one looks clear too. What do you think?
Is the crack gonna be fine?
I'll see when I pull it off. I gotta get tools to pull it off though.
Damn. This. We're looking for ones that aren't as foggy. Got your tools. Change my shoes. I got my tools. Got socket set over there and a drill for a screwdriver.
I wish I knew what the tail is.
So all that's holding on to cars is nuts and bolts. Well, we got one out, leaving the other one.
Yeah, what do you think?
Got
Leave it?
Crack in it.
There's a crack in it.
It's too bad. It's annoying too, because if any water gets pick and pull number 2. Got any sprinters out here? It's nearly impossible to find a Mercedes Sprinter at these places. So unfortunately, after going to 2 picking poles, we only found 1 light or lamp that works. We couldn't find any other ones that were in good condition. As you can see from the other video, the other one was cracked. So we ended up just deciding on, instead of waiting and waiting for another Nissan to come in, it's like, well, let's just go to Canadian Tire and buy one of those kits to buffer it out.
So today we're gonna try cleaning our headlamps, the plastic on them, with a headlamp repair kit. So we'll see how it goes. I have some painter's tape with me to put it around the areas that have the paint, so that any sanding that I do doesn't affect our paint. But I'm gonna get started here with the prep work, put some painter's tape around everything, and then follow the instructions and see what the results will be.
Just prepping the headlamps with tape.
I think I did a better job on this one, but that's okay. I got thinking while I was doing this, because we bought a replacement headlamp, so this is the one we don't have a replacement for, so I'll start with this one first, because then, you know, don't want to waste any time and energy.
Yeah.
If it's like,
if it doesn't work.
If it does an okay job, then I'll just replace this one and then leave this one buffed out, and then we can use this. Hopefully we have enough. Hopefully there's enough in there to do it on the Sprinter as well. So, well, step 2.
This is the kit.
Wash headlight lens to remove surface dirt.
Check. If lens is not clear after using the lens clarifying compound, proceed to step 2. Apply to the green polishing pad and directly to lens.
I'll just do it on the areas where the lamps are, because
And some of it could be from the inside, which, you know, you can't get out. And this is after.
well, let's go see where the other headlamp is and compare it. That's the fuzzy one. It's definitely made a difference.
Before. After. Trying to save $60, okay?
Did I do it on the wrong one? Oh, no, this is...
No, that's the left side.
That's so oily.
This one we got from Pick and Pull. And we'll probably try to sell it because this looks like it's doing a good job. Going in with this cleansing wipe. And then a base coat to prevent the future yellowing.
So, that's the after effect. It was actually very successful. That was a well spent $18. Highly recommend it for those who are thinking about doing it or needing to fix your headlamps, because ours were really bad when we got the car, and now I mean, I just want it to be a little bit better, but it's way better. It's basically clear. And we actually got enough to do a bit of the van. The van, I think we have issues from the inside. So it's still a little foggy on the van, but what do you assess?
Yeah, $17.
$17.99.
And now we gotta sell our headlamp and then maybe make $60 off it.
There we go.
What? That's what, scrubbing it off?
Yeah. They just did low.
I'm gonna spray.
Yeah, this spray is like some sort of.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So this is, wow, even what a difference already, huh?
This one I put the clarifying.
They look so
cream
gross. Like, yeah, did you see the car? Okay, so I painted this mini little shelf because my plan for this space here is to, I don't know, put it maybe somewhere here so the propane tanks can sit on it, because right now they just kind of sit loosely in here, and I don't really like that because when we drive things just rattle around, especially this constantly slams and it drives me absolutely crazy. So I'm gonna have to think of another solution for that, probably using bungee cord at the back here, kind of like putting this along that wall, put the bungee cords to kind of lock it in place. But right now I just wanted to do something more artsy and fun, because if you can look at the theme of the van, you know, we got a lot of artwork and stuff going on. Got the vinyl stickers back there. I painted this as well, and we got our neon dog sign, and then just very woodsy feel, mountain. So I just wanted to kind of decorate this space because it's kind of boring in here. So I have to find the right screws, something that will pierce through this and get in here, but not poke through here. Okay, note to self, don't leave screws on the floor because I just stepped on one. You can see the blood drip through my sock there. I have it on a bandage, but man, did that hurt. Oh, we got the man of the hour coming. The man of the hour. My project, putting this up.
Gotta make sure it's level.
How do we do that? Do we have a level? A ruler or something?
You just go like this, right? You just go on one side. What are we sitting at? 7 1/8. This side. 7 1/8.
You did it on an angle?
Yeah, you have to.
Okay, where's the other one located? Somewhere in the middle. Is that good? Or?
Keep going. Yeah, one more twist. It'll split a little bit, but. Oh, it came down. Let me take it. Still 7 1/8 it says. Huh.
There we go. What else do you think can be improved?
We need another magnet.
Yeah, I'm working on that. Put another board there. We gotta go traveling again so we can fill it up now.